Welcome to my channel, where luxury meets power on wheels. Today, I'm taking you inside one of the most extraordinary creations ever to hit the road. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome. This isn't your ordinary truck. This is a $10 million rolling mansion that redefines what luxury travel truly means. It's a masterpiece built for those who crave dominance, style, and comfort in one breathtaking package. Every inch of this machine screams perfection. From its sculpted chrome body to the futuristic interior that rivals the world's finest penthouses. This is more than a motorhome. It's a statement. A mobile palace for those who live without limits. Get ready, because once you step inside the Kenworth T2000, reality starts to feel unreal. Let's begin with the kitchen, the true heart of this luxurious beast. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 features a full gourmet kitchen, equipped with everything a chef could dream of. The design blends sleek stainless steel with handcrafted wooden cabinetry and soft LED lighting that adds a warm, elegant glow. You get a full-sized refrigerator, a smart convection oven, a dual-burner induction cooktop, and even a hidden dishwasher for effortless cleaning. The countertops are made from polished Italian marble, offering both style and durability. A touchscreen control panel lets you adjust lighting, temperature, and even control your built-in espresso machine. The kitchen island doubles as a dining bar with comfortable seating, making it perfect for a quick meal or late-night snack on the road. Whether you're cooking a simple breakfast or a three-course dinner, this kitchen delivers a five-star experience wherever you go. Now step into the bedroom, a space designed purely for relaxation and tranquility. The Kenworth T2000's bedroom feels more like a suite from a world-class resort than a room inside a motorhome. It features a king-size memory foam bed with an automatic reclining system and built-in massage function for ultimate comfort. Above, a panoramic sunroof lets you fall asleep under the stars. The walls are lined with soft-touch suede and LED accent lighting, creating a calming ambiance. At the foot of the bed, a 55-inch OLED smart TV rises smoothly from a custom-built cabinet. Climate control, shades, and even the lighting are all voice-activated, so you can personalize your comfort without lifting a finger. A large wardrobe with motion sensor lights and a personal safe adds to the elegance and practicality of this luxurious sleeping space. Every night feels like a dream in the Kenworth T2000 bedroom. The drawing room, or living area, is where modern design and luxury collide. Plush Italian leather sofas stretch across the space, surrounding a crystal glass coffee table that conceals wireless charging ports and hidden storage. The entire area is surrounded by panoramic smart windows that tint automatically depending on sunlight, ensuring privacy and comfort. A massive 75-inch 8K entertainment screen folds down from the ceiling, supported by a surround sound system that delivers a cinematic experience like no other. Integrated mood lighting and ambient effects sync with your music or movies, creating a personalized atmosphere. The walls are trimmed with walnut and chrome, and the flooring is made of polished bamboo wood for that eco-luxury appeal. Whether you're entertaining guests, relaxing with family, or enjoying a movie night, the drawing room makes every moment feel like a first-class experience. Moving on to the bathroom, where elegance and technology unite in pure perfection. The Kenworth T2000's bathroom is a private spa on wheels, featuring a full-sized glass shower with a rainfall and steam system. The walls are layered in imported marble with gold detailing, and a heated floor ensures ultimate comfort, even in cold weather. There's a dual vanity setup with sensor-activated mirrors that display weather, time, and entertainment updates. The smart toilet is fully automated with self-cleaning functions and an air-dry system. A built-in aroma diffuser fills the space with a soothing scent, while the lighting automatically adjusts to your mood. There's even a hidden sound system turning your morning routine into a luxury experience. This bathroom isn't just functional, it's indulgence redefined. Now let's talk about the all-new 2026 Kenworth T2000 model, the future of motorhome luxury. The latest version brings even more futuristic features, including autonomous driving assist, solar-integrated roofing, and AI-powered climate zones that adapt to passenger preferences. Its powertrain has been upgraded for better performance and efficiency, while the cabin receives an enhanced soundproofing system for total serenity on the road. The 2026 T2000 blends bold design with next-generation innovation, taking everything that made the 2025 model incredible and pushing it to perfection. From its diamond-stitched interiors to its panoramic digital dashboard, every detail represents the pinnacle of road luxury. So, what do you think of the $10 million Kenworth T2000? It's more than just a motorhome. It's a symbol of what happens when engineering brilliance meets pure imagination. If you loved this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exclusive looks at the world's most luxurious vehicles. Your next dream machine might just be the one rolling down the highway.